all know that water is very important for us. It's also a great touch my shoulder. I'm just resting. This is our presentation about water conservation. That rhymed.
Oh god, oh no.
One day, we're gonna be able to save the water of the world. Look at the camera.
I can't. Hi guys, we did chapter 17 and it's all about water conservation. So, we figured we would talk to you about ways you can conserve water. Alright, so Marley's gonna get started.
We all know that water is very important, but it's also a great source of conflict. John Wesley Powell once said, "I tell you, gentlemen," or women, I don't know, "you are piling up a heritage of conflict and litigation of water rights, for there is not sufficient water to supply the land," end quote. So this quote really sums up the current dilemma we have with one of our most valuable resources, water.
Alright, so to further understand water, we need to understand where it comes from and how we can conserve it.
Our water cycles endlessly through the environment. This water evaporates from moist surfaces, falls as rain or snow, passes through living organisms, and returns to the ocean. This process is known as the hydraulic cycle.
Well done. Even though this cycle happens just about everywhere, when it rains, some places experience more than others, and some get no rain at all, and this means that water cycle is scarce in some places and unevenly distributed.
Sure is. This distribution of water is described by the multiple compartments in which water is found.
Some of the major water sources are
Oceans,
ice and snow,
freshwater lakes,
moisture from soil,
plants and animals,
groundwater,
and rivers.
Oceans contain more than 97% of liquid water in the world.
Oh my gosh.
Because ocean water is too salty for most human uses, groundwater is the most commonly used freshwater. However, our clean fresh water is unfortunately running out.
Too many people use more water than they need, which leads to water scarcity. Most water is consumed in three major components. 1. Agricultural. 2. Domestic. 3. Industrial.
In wealthy countries, domestic and industrial water use is most common since the ratio of evaporation is much less as opposed to agricultural water use, which poorer countries use. And poorer countries make up most of the world. So here's some things that would help poorer countries conserve water.
You can take shorter showers, everybody.
You can don't let the sink run. Don't do it.
Don't water your plants for so long.
Use recycled water for everyday chores.
Dispose of toxic chemicals correctly so we can keep our water clean. So you're not drinking nasty stuff.
So just be kind to our planet, love the earth, and namaste.
This has been an overview of chapter 17. Please give us an A.